how to plant Lamtoro plants or how to cultivate Chinese Petai plants for beginners. Lamtoro, Petai China, or Petai Salog, known as Latin Lucia leucocephala, is one of the types of shrubs originating from the tribe Fabaceae, Leguminosae, legumes pods. This Lamtoro plant originated from Central America and Latin America and entered into Indonesia brought by the Dutch and Portuguese. Another name is Lamtoro mondaine, Keenladig, Petai bulalag, and so forth. The following scientific classification of Lamtoro trees. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosida. Order, Fabaceae. Family, Fabaceae. Subfamily, Mimosoideae. Genus, Eleucia. Species, L. leucocephala. This Lamtoro tree can grow to a height of 20 meters, but most only grow with a height of 2 meters to 10 meters. The Lamtoro tree has low branches and many with brownish or gray papyrus, nodule and centipede. The twist of the Lamtoro is a round piston with a pointed end. Leaf Lamtoro compound with double pinnate shape. Compound Lamtoro flowers are long-stemmed cobs gathered in panicles containing about 2 to 6 bumps. While the Lamtoro fruit in the form of straight ribbon, flat and thin with a bulb between the seeds, Lamtoro fruit is green and will be brownish green or dark brown if dry. The Lamtoro seed is similar to Petai, but has smaller size and smaller portion. Here's how to plant Lamtoro plants or how to cultivate Chinese Petai plants for beginners. More. 1. Lamtoro seed preparation. Seed Lamtoro can be obtained from seeds on Lamtoro fruit that is old and dry. Select the seeds that are old and good quality. Characteristics of good Lamtoro seeds are dark brown seeds and medium to large size. Next, soak the seeds in cold water for 14 hours before sowing or with warm water temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. This immersion is done to select the seeds. The seeds that float thrown away, only use the seeds that are submerged in water only. 2. Preparation, place and media planting. Prepare a plastic cup, pot or polybag planting. If you use plastic cups, then you need to make some holes in the bottom of the glass by using a nail. If the planting area has been determined, then the contents of plastic cups, pots or polybag planting with the media planting a mixture of soil, sand and compost with a ratio of 1:3. Plastic cups, potted or polybag planting used only filled 3/4 part only, do not get full. 3. Planting and care of Lamtoro. If all is ready, then make a planting hole in the planting medium as deep as approximately 2 inches to plant seeds. If the planting hole is ready, then insert 2 seeds Lamtoro in one hole and close again by using planting medium. Perform treatment on Lamtoro plants in the form of watering. Watering is done 2 times a day in the dry season, or watering can be done as necessary to see the condition of planting media. After 20 days of nursery, do fertilization by using NPK fertilizer with dosage of 100 gram NPK dissolved in 10 liters of water. Seeds Lamtoro ready to be transferred to the actual planting area. What if it has grown as high as more than 26 centimeters or aged more than 35 days? Similarly, we are discussing about how to plant Lamtoro plants or how to cultivate Chinese Petai plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.